Hi everyone, Rachel here, the registered kinesiologist with Physio Supplies Canada, and today we are going to go over the new Patelladyn. To start off this training session, I'm actually going to show you the difference between the older version of the Patelladyn and then this brand new version. So right here you can see that we have the two braces. This is the older Patelladyn and this is the new one that they had just released. So right away you'll be able to see the difference between the materials that is used to make each brace. The older version of the Patelladyn is made with a thicker material, so people tend to sweat more in this brace. In the new version of the brace, you're able to see they use 3D flat knit materials, which makes it more breathable, and they also included stretch zones in different parts of the braces to ensure all day wearing comfort. The next major difference is the straps that they use. So the straps on the new Patelladyn wrap around and actually go into the fabric right here to ensure that it's comfortable as the patient wears the brace, whereas the ones on the old just wrap all the way around the brace. So what's new in this brace is the improved material, the extended sizing, and the new innovative principle that's used to design this brace. So unfortunately, patellar issues are very common, especially in athletes, as well as just the whole range of the population. So that's why Sporlastic has designed this brace to be comfortable for those wearing it every day and also for those during sport. To design this brace, Sporlastic paired with multiple doctors who are well versed in patellar issues, and they came to a conclusion that patellar issues come from two things. The first is muscular imbalances. So that means in about 90% of cases that they saw, the quads were too large compared to other muscles in the leg, which caused issues in the patella and its gliding path. The next is the structural issues, and that would be arthritis, arthrosis, any issues like that, and those can also both be helped by the Patelladyn. Although there are a lot of differences between the two braces, the old version and the new version, the biggest difference of this brace is the silicone pad that is located inside the brace and goes around the lateral side of the patella. The newest feature of the pad is actually the extension piece that comes up right above here, and this piece lays right over the insertion of the quadriceps into the tendon, and this actually is noped, so it gives a massaging effect to the quads and helps relieve any pressure and strain that the quads may be putting onto the patella. Also, the top area of the pad that goes around the patella is actually thicker, and they designed this to help hold the patella in place. Another feature of this brace is that they've removed the silicone pad that usually goes around the inside, medial side of the patella, and they removed this to help alleviate any strain that was placed on the medial patellofemoral ligament. Because the new Patelladyn is made with the Supreme material, it also comes with a physiotherapy to go QR code, which means that you will be able to get access to stretches, exercises, and anything that may help issues with the patella. For the measurement of the Patelladyn, you're going to want to take your measuring tape and palpate the joint line. Once you find the joint line, you go 14 centimeters above it and then take the circumference around the thigh. After you do that, you're going to repeat this same process on the calf. So you're going to go 14 centimeters below the joint line and then go around the calf and take that measurement as well. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching the training video on our brand new Patelladyn, and make sure you follow and subscribe to our YouTube channel to make sure you don't miss out on any trainings.